and welcome to SurgiPlanXR, my submission video for the Logitech Developer Challenge. Currently, medical implant design is stuck in 2D and relies on clumsy mouse inputs and non-spatial context. Using the Logitech MX Ink allows surgeons to draw directly on patient anatomy in mixed reality. The stylus provides haptic feedback when touching the bone surface, simulating the tactile feel of physical contact. This way, surgeons can slice bone and generate implant meshes in real time. Using SurgiPlanXR has a lot of advantages. It actually has way lower cost. It's actually spatial and 3D. There is no mouse and no abstraction.